So y'all, I'm on the road running errands, trying to get everything done. My trip is coming pretty soon. It's in a couple of days, so I'm just trying to get some stuff done. I went to get some gas because I was on E, literally.
Be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you. I do, but sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad. Oh, can't you see? I'm just being
Y'all, I've been up and down on the road all day, literally. Like, I'm tired. I'm so tired, seriously. So I'm trying to prep for my travel. So there's a lot of up and down. As you guys saw earlier, I went to Fontana to get my just this lotion. This is the brand lotion that I always use. So I had went to like a pharmacy. I went to Mega Mart. They didn't have this one, this size. So I say, okay, let me just try Fontana. So of course they would have it. Fontana have everything. And I need to get a little spray bottle thingy because I want to bring some alcohol and something with me. So I just want everything in like travel sizes so you can hold in a little bag that I have. Yeah, so I do need to stop to get some makeup. I need to change my makeup. Probably just the foundation. Actually, I think the powder is good. Or is it the foundation that's... Yo, I don't even remember. I'll probably just buy two of them. Just buy foundation and powder. I had went to Clocktower this morning to grab some, you know, necessities at the wholesale, of course. I forgot wholesale. And what else? There's like so much stuff to do. But I'm super duper excited that I'm heading in a couple days. I need to pack too and all of those lovely stuff. Lovely. Yeah, so I'm actually just in Tropical Plaza, just like parked up. My nail tech is over the other plaza, but I'm just tired. And I think the other reason why I'm so tired, I did not eat anything this morning. I legit nothing, no gamma, only just water. So I probably need to get something to eat. I have a schoolwork, what we need to finish up, read up, finish it up, site, whatever foolishness. It's a group work and I have an exam Monday. I'm gonna go over the other side where my nail tech is, park, walk across the road to Central Plaza. I want to go to Fashion Era Beauty, see if she have anything. I do need makeup wipes, and Fontana had it in, but when I buy the makeup wipe, not Fontana, I feel the price too high. We're in a Fashion Era Beauty to see what she has, and I need some sunscreen as well. So oh dude, I should have looked in Fontana how much the price for the sunscreen. I don't remember. Not sure if I'm gonna do my nails or not because I have press-ons. So I do want to wear press-ons, but I'm just thinking I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do my nails, but toe has to get done. I did do a pedicure 2 weeks ago, so I'm not gonna do any pedicure. I'm just gonna change my toe color, and that's it. And then when I get there, I'll decide if I want to put on some nails. I like to bite my nails. I really have a bad habit of biting my nails. So that's like one of the reasons I don't really do nails, and it's just too much upkeep to do. I only do nails on occasions, so birthdays, blah blah blah, stuff like this now that I'm doing. But I like press-ons. Put on a press-on, done. So I may just do that. Cost way cheaper, and we on a budget because we're traveling, so we got to see all the coins for traveling. Later people, later.
I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you. I do, but sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see?
So I picked up the rest of my packages. I have one more coming in that I need, and that's from the expensive place, Union Express. I had switched to Post Global, and all these 3 items is $1,700 and something, okay? If I had shipped with the other company, it would have been $900 a piece. Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna head back to the nail tech and yeah, get my nails done.
Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see that I'm just being me? Sometimes we're just colliding and we keep on fighting, but we'll be okay.
It was the next day, so I'm not sure if I did show you guys that I did go to the nail tech, so I just decided to just do my nails and be over with it. And of course I polished my toes. So it's still a travel video. We're still trying to prepare for my travels that's upcoming in a few days. So I did decide to just do my hair myself. Initially I wanted to do braids, so I've just gone to the hairdresser, bam bam, it's over. But of course I wanted to do my hair myself. Big mistakes, and I'm gonna be, it's basically, let me just check the time. Let me check the time. Yeah, it's around 7:34 now, so I ain't gonna go to my bed until midnight, but it's whatever. So the hair that I'll be using, it's this hair, the expression twisted up. Like, this is my go-to hair, literally. I've worn this hair multiple times, okay, multiple times. I do have a video on my channel as well where I did do a video on this hair, and you know, me getting it in. So I bought this at OMG, I can't remember the name of the store, but I put it up, but it's 1,750 for one pack, and I will be using this entire pack. And I also have a little bit left from my last install that I did, so I have about this left, and I will be extending the hair. If you guys watch my the video that I did the hair on, appreciate you for watching. And this is not really like a tutorial because I do have a video that I did a year ago, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I prepare for my upcoming travels. And by the way, I think I should tell you guys in this video, because this video will go up like days after I'm gone, or probably when I return to Jamaica. It may be a solo trip. It may be a solo trip. I think I'm 99.999% that it may be a solo trip. I don't know if it may change, but yeah, this is a solo trip. I am super excited. I did do some research on it as relates to safety and solo trip, and apparently, like, there's a lot of people who do solo travel go to that country where I'm going. I will even say in this video. So I should be good. I planned out everything. By the way, I don't even want to say, because you guys may pick up, I may not pick up, but like I have my itinerary set out and everything. I need to jot it down in my phone. I have it on paper, so I just need to write it on my phone right now and just make sure I have it on my phone. I need to book all my excursions and all of that prior, or probably when I get there. So yeah, I do need to get the ball rolling. But anyways, back to the hair. I will be doing, see the hair, where did I say I will be doing my hair? Yeah, so the hair, and ta-da, I will also be doing my lashes, some individual lashes. It would be my first time ever doing this, so hope I'm not blind myself. So this is it. I got this. I saw some videos and a lot of people were using this. Well, not a lot, a few people use this, ordered from Amazon. So yeah, but I won't be doing this tonight. So these are 2 separate days. I'll be doing the hair tonight, and then probably the next 2 days I may install this lash, because I want to do it probably like 2 days before my travel, or actually a day before my travel. So this will be in the next clip, because I can't do that tonight. So I'm gonna probably just do half of my hair, and I'll get back, and then we'll continue to chit chat, and then tell you guys probably how I'm preparing for my travel, aka maybe a solo travel. So, but I will have you guys to speak to. I'll be back, guys. Gonna do this half of my hair, or maybe more than likely more than half, and then I'll be back in 3, 2. It's literally been 2 days since last I picked up my photo video. So I did do my hair up until this point 2 days ago, so this is all that's left. So the hair is coming along pretty well. I've done the style multiple times, like I told you guys. It's, this is just my regular hair that I normally wear. However, I did just extend it. Since I'm going on vacation, I wanted a longer hair, so I just added some piece at the end. So we're just gonna finish the top, and I'll show you guys what I did. By the way, my hair is like really dry, so don't pay that any attention. So I'm just gonna do a center part. a little bit small at the front. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell you guys, I ran out of hair, so I did find some more hair that I had. And what I would recommend, if you guys like want to do the style that I'm doing and you know do the extension, it's best to get 2 packs of hair, or it actually depending on the size of how you want it. If you want it this small or if you want it a little bit fatter, you may need 3 packs of hair, but you can like probably just buy the minimum 2 packs of hair if you want to do this extension. So you should be good on that. I need to start out my hair. Just gonna put some oil first. Just put some oil, and then I'm gonna use the hair wax. So I have to wear my nails, so I use it like that. Just get the roots. And you also want to put the gel at the end of your hair, because when you're separating your hair, you don't want the hair to show. It's just best to ensure that your hair is all straight, so it doesn't really poke out. So I'm just gonna put the regular Eco Style gel as well.
I'm just being weak.
But the hair comes. Just gonna take one. This is 1 strand, okay? So I'm just gonna open the ends of the hair, then I'm gonna separate this in half. Just measure it to just ensure that it's, you know, a little bit equal, not too far off. Then I'm gonna plait it in, or braid it in, like people refer to it. Braid it just for a little bit, and then I'll twist the end. I think it works better that way, to braid it in then twist it down, or you can just twist it down, whichever, you know, whichever option that works for you. That's enough. And then once my hair gets in the center, this is my hair right here, I'm gonna separate it in half and then twist down. And what I'll also do is to just add a little more gel on my hair, so it doesn't, like, you know, poke out much, because my hair is like really stubborn. Also, what I can't remember when last, or what we were talking about the last time. I think I did mention to you guys that it may be a solo trip, so that has been confirmed yesterday. So yeah, me alone, I take the plane. I go from like a, you know, late birthday celebration, which is fine. I did tell you guys that I'm still excited about it. I'm not sad or anything like that. So I'm really looking forward to it. So look at this. You see, this is why I told you guys it's best to like measure it. I did measure it. I'm not sure what happened, but you can just take from the other side and then twist down. One thing with this hair though, it may get messy and mess up your place. So basically it's gonna be me alone. So yeah, we all, I'm taking you guys with me, so it's basically gonna be both of us. So I'm definitely gonna have a good time. I actually finalized my itinerary, so I actually need to, I'm gonna put that in Canva and save it on my phone. I may print it as well, I'm not sure. But hold on. All right, when we get down to the end, we're gonna go for the other half. Put that in my mouth. So this is the other half, and then same thing, I'm gonna measure it. It's good. Then we're gonna put it on the inside, put this here on the inside, right? And then you're gonna twist it, twist both ends. Twist this first. I don't even know if you guys are seeing, because this is not really like a tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys, maybe if somebody asks in the comments. So twist, see, twist it. This is how it's looking. Then you will just twist down. So while you're twisting down, you will still, you know, twist it like you do. I think it's called what, rope twist. So Let's twist down a little and show you guys that it's not really showing that it's attached. See, it's not that bad. Sometimes, you know, it may show or whatever, but it's gonna blend in eventually. And you don't need any products on his hair too, because his hair is kind of natural, so you don't necessarily need products really. As you can see the difference here, but when I finish it, then it's gonna pop up back. It's not gonna be like looking that crazy. But yeah, super excited about my solo trip. And I'm also gonna be doing my lashes. I'm not sure if I told you guys. So once I'm finished with, finishing everything tonight, because I'm basically leaving what 2-3 days. So yeah, I just want to get this hair thing out. I'm gonna do my lashes. Wait, I have to stop talking because I'm gonna put this in my mouth.
Baby, can't you see? Can be there when you weak.
Okay, this is it. This is it. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of it, and then I'll come back to you guys.
You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad, oh can't you see? I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you, I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't you see? That I'm just being me. Sometimes we just collide.
On to the lashes. We're gonna start the lashes right now because the time is moving fast and I need to go to bed. So give me a few and I'll be back.
Sometimes we just crying.
Hey guys, so it's literally time to start my lashes. I got this off Amazon. It's the Kiss Lash Mapping Kit. It's very affordable, and I wanted to just, you know, get something that's affordable. This is literally like a DIY vacation, do stuff yourself vacation vlog, kind of, because I did my hair myself and then I'm doing the lashes. So, you know, it's like a budget vacation, because when it comes down to me, I like to do activities, so saving all my money for that activity. So activities on the vacation. So this is it. I got it from Amazon, very affordable. I will just put the price on the link. I do have an Amazon store. I think I've told you guys that before, so the link will be down below. So all you can do, just click on the link and then you can purchase it. Browse through my Amazon shop. If you've not seen anything that you want to order, you know, you can still just search and then search Amazon by using my link, and I may get a commission. I will be getting a commission. So the link is down below, so whenever you guys are ready, just, you know, go ahead and do that. All right, so we're gonna go and start this out right now. We're gonna go ahead and hopefully it works. I'm actually looking over here as well because I'm videoing for TikTok, trying to, you know, up my content over there. I don't really use it much, but why not try something? So let me just bring up this auto phone here. Just do my TikTok. This is what's in the kit. Then it comes with the lash patch as well. So it comes with a sticker, so you stick it under your eyes. So it's like the mapping thing for your lashes. So I get 3. It comes with 3 patches. So there's different styles. You have everyday natural style, you have wispy and spiky, and then you have catty wing. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna try. The cat's eye looks nice. I like the spiky. I like the natural. Well, I don't want to do natural because it's the first time I'm doing it. Do you guys see this bump right here? Like, don't even ask. Anyways, I think I like the cat eye, so I may just go ahead and do the cat eye. Guys, I actually made a mistake. It comes with actually 4. It comes with a blank one, so you can just do whatever you want, and it comes with the 3 other types of lashes. So I think I'm gonna do the catty wing. So I'm gonna definitely follow the instructions T to T, because like I don't want no issues at all. This is just the mapping basically. So I'm gonna use 12, 14, 14, and 16 outside. So
Be there for me.
they did give us this, and my lash is, all right, let me go for my small mirror. Yo, my eyes already itching. All right, this shit better be safe.
And we keep on fighting.
Well, I want to start from the outer part of my lash, so I'm gonna use 16. So it says 316. Well, my lashes, I think I'm gonna use 216, 214, 212s. So let's see how that works out for me. Just dip the glue. Oops, shit, it fell in it. Alright guys, so I tried it off camera just to make sure that I'm doing it properly, and that the long one, it took me a while to get it on. Let's just be real. It took me a while to get it on, and I used the 16mm, but I think it's just too tall for me. I'm not that type of person. I don't really like long lashes like that, so I'm gonna use the 14 and 12 only. Okay, I think I finally got it. I think a little glue catch on my bottom lash, so let's wipe that off. Right this into my eye. Alright, I finally got it, guys. Alright, good to go. I think it's a little bit too tall. Why do I think this one is too tall? I think I just need 12s now. Finally figure it out. So I have 216, 114. I removed the, wait, no, I have, shoot. Yeah, I have 216 and 114 because it's 1, 2, then the 14. Because when I had 316s, like I think it was just doesn't fit my eye and it's too long. So 216, 114, and you basically have to literally put it under your eyelash and like at the under your eyelash. So let me go to the 14 again and try it with you guys. Come up, then look down in the mirror and put it literally right here. Yo, I get it guys. I think this looks decent. This looks kind of naturalish. And then I'm gonna put one last one, which is the 12. So it's 216, 114, 1, and then 112. All right guys, so it's coming along, but to say I'm gonna do this again, it is a strong no. I can't even find a lash. This is a strong no. It takes too long, and it's just, yeah, it's just not my thing. I think they are too long. I think I should have used only the 14s and the 12. So they do have like classic 14 and classic 12, so probably I should have tried that instead of the pointy ones, because I like more of like a natural look really. So I don't know if I chose the right ones. I probably should have just go with classic lashes instead of pointy. You can definitely see a difference with this eye, but I don't know if this eye is coming along. The left is not working with me right now. Definitely not working with me. And I'm being extra careful so this does not get into my eyes. Okay, I'm all done. I'm not sure what I think. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. And my natural lashes are showing. Let me like keep try. I think I like these over here. They're definitely still a little bit too long, but it's okay. But this one, I'm not sure what's going on with the left eyes. I'm not sure. So probably I'm gonna just see probably tomorrow morning, see how I feel about it. If not, I'm just gonna take them off, and where on my vacation I'm just gonna just wear strip lashes. But definitely I probably should have stick to the like the shorter ones. I think it's a little bit more suitable for me, really. Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, well, this is all. I appreciate you so much for watching. Like I said, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about the left eye, but the right eye looks very nice. I definitely probably should have stick to the shorter one. So if you're trying this, if you buy this kit or you're trying, you know, any DIY lash extension, I will probably my advice to probably try the shorter lashes instead of the pointy one or long ones. So just to get a feel of it, to see, you know, if you really like it, you can try the short ones first and then you move on to the longer ones. But I'm gonna see, like I said, I'm gonna see how I feel tomorrow when I get up. If it's not a vibe, then I'm definitely gonna remove them. But I think I might let it stay so I can just avoid trying to put strip lashes. I don't think it looks bad. I don't know. I guess in the daytime I'll see. But again, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the hair. DIY on a budget for your vacation. The hair was good. Love it. I always love this hair. Lash extension. But comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Please give me honest feedback, and I will see you guys in another video, and I will see you guys on my vacation. We're gonna go on our solo trip, you and I. We're probably not even a solo because I'll be talking to you guys. Hope I don't look crazy when I go out, and I am praying that I don't feel like bored when I go to our laptop, because I'm a person, I'm not really friendly when I go out. So I'm definitely not going to be like talking to people just randomly. So if people talk to me, sure, but for me to like just go up to people or talk to them or whatever, that's not me. So I hope I don't feel like strange going out alone. I have gone out before, but I mean, I'm home in Jamaica, so it is a whole nother country. So I hope, you know, I know I should be good. Like, I spoke to myself already, I'm gonna do good. Like, won't be bored. I'm not gonna stay into the hotel room. I've planned out every detail, like where I'm going, whatever taxi fare, all of that. So I should be good. But then again, I'll see you guys in another video. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in a couple days, maybe 5 days. I may upload another video. Yeah, you'll see this probably soon, and then 5 days after that I'll upload another video, which will be my travels. So peace, thank you.
It's you and me, unconditional love.